In this program you are seeing this function is taking a character, and that character is tested with A to Z, whether it is from A to Z or from small a to small z, capital A to capital Z or small a to small z. Then it is showing alphabet. Else it is showing 0 to 9 digit. Otherwise it is showing, I told to change. You have not changed. The very last else will be, it is a special character. Change it. Very last else will be a special character. So it is either within between 0 to 9, or it is from A to Z, or it is not in between this, so it will say that it is a special character. Okay. So very simple. So your program has a function. What is the function name here? Test. So test is the function name. How many parameters it is taking? 1. What is that? Char ch. It is taking ch. It's a void function or non-void function? Void function. So public is a static or non-static? Non-static. Public void test function. Then you are testing. So many ways you can test A to Z. Here it is giving if ch greater than equal to what? Capital A. Single quote. Character is always single quote. And ch less than equal to capital Z. Or, so this is an logical expression. Another logical expression is there. Ch greater than equal to small a and ch less than equal to small z. That is another. And this total thing is kept under another bracket. Money. So there is another, if it is there, you are showing, it is simply displaying alphabet. Else if what you are doing, ch greater than equal to 0. 0 is also a letter. 0 is also a letter. 0 to how much? And ch less than equal to 9. Then also you can print something. What? Input 100. Are 100? How can it be 100? It is a single character. It is a single character. Okay. So it cannot be 100. So last one remaining else. You can show special symbol. So I told another way also you can do. Another way you can do. You can directly write instead of this. You can directly write what? Instead of single quoted A, you can write what? 65. Not in double quotes. So instead of this, instead of a Z, you can directly write what? 90. Instead of small a, what you can write? 97. Instead of a small z, what you can write? 122. Instead of a 0, double quoted 0, instead of this, what you will write? 48. Instead of this, yes. I will see, right? This one, what you will write? 57. So another way also you can write, that is what he said. Hey, we are testing it is digit or not, is alphabet or not, is alphabet or alpha. You see at last, no, it is there. Okay, character is letter is there. His letter is there. His letter is a digit. Then else you can. Okay. So the first one will be what? This total thing. Listen to me. This total thing can be written as character dot is letter in bracket ch. Character dot letter in bracket ch. Where it will be written? This total. Inside the if it will be there. Or this one will be, what will be there? Yes. It will be there. Character dot each digit. Bracketed ch. So that will remain in the if block. So if I write on bracket, you will understand better. If I write a bracket, that it will be inside the if block. If condition. Okay.